So here's the connection, and then a bunch of other connections which I'm sure I'll see in the actual instruction manual. You have GPS antenna and radio connection, and it says 4G. What is that, a 4G hole or something? Apparently there's a port in there for 4G. I never saw that before. Interesting. Yep, that's basically it. It's very low profile, as you can see. Alright, so a USB connection, the main wiring harness, another wiring harness. This is for the component cables. And GPS antenna and instruction manual. Alright, so here are the tools required: a Phillips head screwdriver, a pair of pliers, electrical tape, and a brain. Make sure and disconnect your car battery. Okay, so just like in my previous video, you just need to connect the wires that have the same colors together between the Metra wiring harness and the double Din head unit. If you do not have a Metra wiring harness, I highly suggest you get one, as this eliminates all the guesswork from the installation process. Link for this will be in the description. Connect the GPS module and radio antenna. Plug in everything else at the back of the unit. peel off that plastic and reconnect the car battery. Turn on the car and enjoy the fruits of your labor. Alright, so far my initial impressions are mostly positive, especially for the price this head unit is going for on Amazon. I would recommend that the manufacturer either optimizes the software or adds more memory so that certain tasks won't feel so sluggish. I'm sure you guys can see what I'm talking about. All in all, if you're looking for an affordable double din head unit with touchscreen display, you can check out this one on Amazon. Link will be in the description below. As usual guys, thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, comments or suggestions, please feel free to leave them in the comment section below. If you guys would like to help support the channel, you can check out the first link in the description below. Also, don't forget to click that notification bell so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. Be safe guys, and see you all in the next one.